Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can use the MapCityMap web portal from your mobile device. So for example from your smartphone or maybe also from a tablet. As you can guess, on your smartphone you don't have so much space as you would have on your desktop or laptop. So what happens with the MapCityMap web portal is that one of the two parts is hidden. So in this case I can only see the details, but I cannot see the map. But it makes it of course easier to navigate through the web portal. So I can just scroll down and I can see all the areas here. If you would like to switch to the map, we have a button here in the right hand corner, and if we click on it, it will just switch to the map. And again we could switch back using this button, so switch here and there. Okay. For example, I would like to browse my routes, and I just select some. I have a nice one in English, it's the ISP trail. So I'll open the ISP trail and it will give me all the information like the image and all the things I would like to know, but of course I cannot see it directly on the map. So again I'm going to the map and now I can see, okay, it is located here in the city center of Frankfurt. If you would like to change something, of course you need to switch back to the detail view of the trail and click the three dots on the top because they need to collapse. They don't have so much space, and then you can edit trail, and all the information that you can enter into a trail can be edited here very easily. Sometimes you want to jump to another section of the web portal and then it seems like a lot of clicking, so I need to go back to the trail, then I need to go back to the trails list, and then only maybe I can go to the groups that I wanted to visit. But there's another way which is a way easier. So let's again take this example. I'm joining some trail and now I can click on the top right bar and go directly to the groups, which makes it way easier to navigate and way quicker. So what you need to know about the mobile version of the MapCityMap web portal is that there are a lot of functions hidden behind icons. So for example, if I go to the Mattes1 creator group and then I have here this cross. With this cross I can kick members out, and also the three dots always mean that there are several functions hidden behind it. So if I click it, I will get some options what I can do with this working group. For example, I can share a group, leave group, delete group, yes. So if you are using it from your mobile device, make sure that you don't forget that here are a lot of options hidden behind these three dots, alright?